Do you sometimes feel lost, like you don't know what to do when you're trying to foam roll and release muscle tension and soreness? Do you sometimes feel like you don't know what you're doing when you're trying to foam roll? Do you feel like a beginner? Chris from A-Sports Clinic here. Does this look familiar? Is this you in an office? Everything goes forward, nothing back. Too much slouching, too much computer work, everything is making you lean forward. So I just want to give you a couple of quick tips regards foam rolling. The best app I found out there is called Foam Roller Techniques app. I highly recommend it to you. It has an injury section, the anatomy. You can see whichever muscles your therapist recommended you to foam roll and lengthen. And also, in case you have a little injury, it has a menu, and just you can take all the muscles from there, and it should give you some really nice relief. On a personal note, I know a lot of people are trying to open up their posture, but by lying on a foam roller, I wouldn't encourage you to do that. Why? Because if you can see, the spinous processes, these bony structures here are on an angle from each vertebrae. So when you're trying to open up your posture, it's possible at one point that the whole weight of your upper body will be on one or two of these spinous processes. As you can see, the yellow little cables coming out here are the nerves, and if you potentially pinch them, then they can put the whole area in spasm, and you won't feel much because it's not much innervation we have on the back. It's only like one at every inch. The solution is to add a thick blanket or a towel, and make sure also you have a nice cushiony pillow under your head. So those are my tips. I hope you have a good day. Hang in there. Peace for everybody.